was a love in my mind, but it seems so far behind. How my lips desire, how my heart recalls, and I know now you're gone. It's hopeless to live on, but I love you till my last teardrops fall. I can feel every day your memory fades away, and the dust upon your picture tells it all. Can't go on without you. I don't want somebody new, 'cause I love you till my last teardrops fall. I wish that I could turn around and walk into the past, where I could find a love we knew that somehow failed at last. So I wait for your call between these empty walls, 'cause I love you till my last teardrops fall. I wish that I could turn around and walk into the past, where I could find a love we knew that somehow failed at last. So I wait for your call between these empty walls, 'cause I love you till my last teardrops fall. Yes, I love you